Got this rear view reverse camera being installed today. Kind of already started a little bit. Pretty straightforward. It's got a video cord, audio cord, got a power and a ground, and got the monitor here, and the camera. Should be pretty straightforward. This is a cigarette lighter output if we want to power it up all the time. If you want to be able to view it all the time, we're not going to do that. We're just going to hook it up to the reverse light, so that powers it. So it turns on when we put it in reverse. It'll be the only time you'll be able to view it. So we're going to get started today.
I think you need consent to put me on the internet.
Already got started. Got the camera already mounted. Just mounted the license plate there. And then see, it's got the video output. This output here. And yeah, you get started wiring. So we found a grommet that we want to use, because we're going to have to go from the cab outside externally, outside the vehicle. We're going to use this grommet. We'll slide over this here. Then it'll be a really big one since it's around the wire. So I'm going to take this hose here. I'm going to cut a section of it off probably here. I'm going to slice it like this, slide it over the wire, and we'll slide it into this grommet here to reduce the size of that hole so it's not so big, letting so much water or whatever could get inside the cab, bugs. So there's the hole. Then take the tail light out to access that reverse light. Take the whole light assembly off so it won't be dangling there, putting stuff on the wires. I'm under here. There's the back of the truck. You can follow the wire back right there. This wire runs all the way up. You just gotta zip tie it every. Oh yeah, I got it running up here. Running up. Going up over the frame. So let's drill that hole. Ran it up inside the cab here. And then we'll make that hole a little bit smaller with the piece of hose. Just got to hook up the positive and the ground for the camera. Just got some little spade connectors here that just pop right into our splice connectors. pass the wire back up through here. There. Put those back in the taillight. Put the taillight back. I'm gonna put this hose, this is a regular hose, you just cut it. Here it just kind of hooks a little bit smaller. There's that. And you see we got some excess wire. Just put in there. Runs up. And there's the monitor. So we checked and we couldn't get a ground off that other wire, so we just grounded right off to the body. And
I can zoom it.